Assalamualaikum grade 6. We meet again. So this week we will learn about an adventure. Still same like last week, but today we are going to do more practices, okay? And before we start the lesson, let's pray first. Pray starts now. Bismillahirrohmanirrohim. Robi zidni ilma warzukni fahma. Amin. Okay, in this lesson, we are going to talk more about past simple and past continuous. What are past simple and past continuous? Let's see. Okay, this one that what we are going to discuss. Okay, first we are going to talk about past simple. Past simple is a verb tense. Jadi yang berubah adalah verbnya, kata kerjanya. That is used to talk about things that happen or existed before now. Jadi segala sesuatu yang sudah terjadi sebelumnya atau di waktu yang lalu. Okay. Imagine someone asks what your brother Wolfgang did while he was in town last week. Jadi contohnya nih, kejadiannya tentang last week atau minggu lalu. Contohnya, Wolfgang entered. Nah, entered-nya ini yang namanya past simple. Ya, jadi di sini contohnya adalah, sebentar. Oops. Nah, ada kata-kata entered, ada kata-kata won. Nah, this one past simple. Ya, kata kerjanya yang berubah menjadi kata kerja bentuk kedua, bentuk past tense. Oke. Next. Next, we are going to talk about past continuous. What is past continuous? Kalau tadi barusan adalah past simple, kalau ini past continuous. Ya. Nah, past continuous adalah past continuous also known as the past progressive tense. Jadi past progressive namanya juga progresif, berarti artinya sedang terjadi. Ya. Beda sama present tense. Present tense itu adalah yang saat kita ngomong itu kejadian. Tapi kalau ini udah lewat kejadiannya. Oke. Nah, the past continuous tense is formed by combining the past tense of to be. Jadi, di past continuous ini ada bentuknya was sama were with the verb present participle. Sama verbnya kata kerjanya pakai ing. There are many situations in which this verb tense might be used in a sentence. Contohnya, for example, it is often used to describe conditions that existed in the past. Lebih banyak digunakan, lebih sering digunakan untuk menggambarkan kejadian atau keadaan yang ada di waktu yang lalu. Nah, karena kita di sini pakai was sama were, oke, jadi ada kata sambungnya yaitu was sama were. Nih, sama bentuk ke ing. Ingat, karena ini sedang terjadi, jadi kita pakai to be itu was sama were, sama bentuk ing. Contohnya, the sun was shining. Nah, ini yang namanya past continuous. Pada saat kita ngomong atau pada saat kita membicarakan that situation, it is going happen. keadaannya atau situasinya sedang terjadi. Makanya pakai bentuk was sama were tambah bentuk ing. The sun was shining every day that summer. As I spoke, the children were laughing. Ada were sama laughing. Pokoknya habis was sama were tambah bentuk ing. Itu artinya sedang terjadi. Oke. Next ya. Oke, let's try this one. In the story, can you identify which is past simple or past continuous? Bisa nggak teman-teman mengidentifikasikan, nandain, yang mana yang past simple, yang mana yang past continuous? Oke. Di sini, one afternoon, Ben and Sue were playing. Ingat, tadi kalau past continuous, dia ada was sama were-nya, sama bentuk ing. Ya, jadi yang mana nih yang past simple sama past continuous-nya? Oke, kalau yang past continuous ingat, ada were sama was-nya sama bentuk ing, berarti ini past continuous. Nah, kalau yang past simple yang mana gitu ya? Ternyata kalau yang past simple tuh yang ini, yang began. Oke. Beda ya, pokoknya yang bentuk was sama were ditambahin ing namanya past continuous. Kalau Sue ran home, past continuous atau past simple? Betul, past simple ya, karena dia bentuk kedua aja langsung. Ben went the wrong way. When-nya juga adalah past simple. It was foggy. Nah, di sini pakai was, tapi kok foggy, nggak pakai ing, gitu ya. Kenapa? Karena kalau kita ngomongin kata sifat atau adjektif, pakainya was sama were juga. Contoh, kemarin itu hujan lebat loh. Yesterday was raining. Karena hujan ya. Terus, dan dingin gitu ya. And it was cold. Karena cold itu kata sifat, pakai was juga. Oke. Nah, couldn't see itu dari kata-kata could not. Kalau presentnya pakainya can, kalau past simpelnya pakainya could. Oke. Next. Wait, I erase this one first. Jadi sudah bisa membedakan ya, kalau yang namanya pakai bentuk ing artinya dia past continuous. Tapi kalau enggak berarti dia namanya past simple. Oke. Nah, sekarang bagaimana kalau dengan yang ini? Let's identify. The dragon flew high. Flew-nya itu past continuous atau past simple? Good. Flew-nya adalah past continuous. Kenapa? Karena dia nggak ada bentuk ing-nya. Ya. He wasn't afraid. Was not-nya. Was-nya juga bentuk past simple. Katanya tadi kalau was sama were pakainya ing. Ingat, afraid itu adalah kata sifat. Jadi semua kata sifat pasti ada to be-nya. To be itu apa sih? To be-nya itu adalah was-nya ini. Kalau present is MR. Nah, landed ini past simple. Oke. Jelas ya membedakannya ya. Pokoknya kalau yang pakai ing, was, were, sama ing, dia artinya past continuous. Tapi kalau tidak ada, dia artinya past simple. Oke, next. Okay, this one must be with the sound. Wait ya. Let's listen.
Page 20. Dialogue. Listen, read, say. What were you doing when the storm began?
I was walking in the park.
Who were you walking with?
I was walking with Jake.
Okay. After we listen to the audio, so we need to identify yang mana yang past simple and which one is past continuous. Remember, past continuous use was atau were sama ing. Nah, di sini were you walking? Nah, itu namanya past continuous. What were you doing? Were doing itu juga past continuous. I was walking itu juga past continuous. Artinya gini, saya sedang jalan-jalan di taman. Oke. Pertanyaannya adalah, what were you doing when the storm began? What were you doing? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? Sedang kamu lakukan. Jadi, makanya pakai past continuous artinya dia sedang terjadi ya. I was walking in the park. Saya sedang jalan-jalan atau saya lagi jalan-jalan. Who were you walking with? Kamu lagi jalan-jalan sama siapa? I was walking with Jake. Ingat, kalau past continuous pakainya was sama were plus ing. Was sama were-nya dipakai kalau subjeknya beda ya. Were itu untuk they, we, sama you. Kalau was itu untuk he, she, it, sama I. Next ya. Listen first.
Page 20. Practice 2. Write, listen, say. 1.
Boating. By myself.
A.
What were you doing when the rain began? I was boating.
B.
Who were you boating with? I was boating by myself.
Oke,
Camping.
masih ada ya.
My cousin.
A.
What were you doing when it got dark? I was camping.
B.
Who were you camping with? I was camping with my cousin.
Oke. Karena di sini dia pakai bentuk was sama ing, artinya dia sedang terjadi. Oke, makanya pertanyaannya, what were you doing? Apa yang sedang kamu kerjakan atau apa yang sedang kamu lakukan when the rain began? Nah, began-nya ini adalah past simple. Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan saat hujan? Ya. Jawabannya juga pakai bentuk past continuous sama past simple. Karena kamu sedang boating, sedang bermain perahu gitu ya, pakainya I was boating. Nanti ya kita kerjakan ya. Who were you boating with? Kamu dengan siapa main perahunya? I was. Nanyanya pakai were karena subjeknya you. Jawabnya pakai was karena subjeknya I. Tadi kan kalau di we you pakainya were. Kalau he, she, it sama I pakainya was. Oke. Yang nomor 2. What were you doing when it got dark? Kamu lagi ngapain saat mulai gelap? Oke, saat matahari sudah terbenam. I was camping. Who were you camping with? Kamu camping sama siapa? I was camping with my cousin. Gitu ya. Oke. Next. We will do this one later on. Just finish this one first. Okay, we listen again. Mana nih? Okay.
Page 21. Practice 3. Listen, write. 1.
There was a big storm yesterday.
I know. What were you doing when the storm began, Emma?
I was playing in a cave. It was scary.
That does sound scary. Who were you playing with?
I was playing with my brother.
2.
Did you go camping last weekend, David?
Yes, I did. There was a fire.
What were you doing when the fire started, David?
I was walking in the desert. I saw it though.
Were you walking with Tom?
No, I wasn't. I was walking with my dog.
3.
It rained a lot yesterday.
What were you doing when the rain began, Sarah?
I was camping in the hills. It was terrible.
Who were you camping with?
I was camping with my family. We all got wet.
4.
We went home when it got dark. I didn't see you. What were you doing when it got dark, Harry?
I was climbing a tree near the castle.
Ooh, were you climbing by yourself?
No, I was climbing with my brother.
Oke. Nanti kita kerjakan ya. We will do this one later on. Okay, I think it's done. Let's do this one ya. We start with this one first. Ini. Oke. Jadi, tadi after we listening to the audio pertanyaannya, what were you doing when the rain began? I was boating. Kenapa pakai was? Karena pada saat hujan, aku sedang main perahu gitu ya. Aku sedang mendayung perahu. Jadi I was boating. Oke. Terus yang B. Who are you boating with? I was, ingat ya, jangan lupa was sama were-nya ya. Yang B-nya, who were you boating with? Jawabannya, I was boating by myself. Ya. Nomor 2. What were you doing when it got dark? What were you doing when it got dark? Jawabannya, the answer is I was camping. Jangan lupa was-nya atau were-nya. B-nya, who were you camping with? I was camping with my cousin. Oke. Jangan lupa was sama ing-nya. Ya. Next ya. Nah, oops. Oh, berarti yang ini ya. Oke. Yang nomor A-nya, number 1A, there was a storm. What were they doing? She was playing, gitu ya, in the cave. She was playing sama siapa ya tadi playingnya? With her friends ya, if I'm not mistaken ya. Salah. Oke, sekarang nomor 2-nya. There was fire. Kenapa pakainya was tapi nggak pakai ing? Ingat, karena kita ngomonginnya adjektif. Fire-nya itu adjektif. Ada kebakaran gitu ya. Kebakaran itu kan bukan kata kerja. It is not a verb. Dan juga bukan kata benda. Oke. Ada fire katanya. Jadi there was fire. Terus what were they doing? He was, ingat pakai was. He was walking in the desert. Who was you walking with? Who were you walking with? He was walking with his dog. Okay. Next, you can do it by yourself, yeah? Just remember about was and were and also the ing form. Okay, this one. This one is very easy lemon squeezy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You just choose the answer from the choices. Gimana nih nulisnya? Okay, so you just choose from here. Yeah. Number 1, I was walking in the hills with my dad when saat storm began. Okay, it started to snow. We were cold and getting. Kalau udah mulai salju dan mulai dingin, we were cold and getting. Biasanya kalau kedinginan karena apa? Karena api atau karena apa? Coba dilihat pilihannya. Good. We were cold and getting wet. Okay. And then we were worried. Then we saw kita mulai panik nih. Dan kita lihat sebuah apa? Pilihannya di sini. Fire, cave, home, atau yang mana? Yang wet, when sama began sudah ya. Jadi, then we saw a cave. Kami lihat gua gitu kan. Okay, good. And then number 5. It was big, so we went inside. Guanya ternyata besar dan kita masuk. It was dry there. Ternyata di sana kering. We found some wood and we made kita nemuin beberapa ranting Dan kita bikin apa biar kita nggak kedinginan? We made a fire. Nah, di sini ada kata-kata made. Made-nya itu adalah past simple. Ya, jangan salah, jangan ketukar pakai make. Oke? Good. The next one you can do it by yourself ya. Oke, next. Continue. Okay, this one is a little bit easy. So you just choose the answer. Remember, oh ini masih ada coret-coretan. Okay. Remember, kalau yang pakai was, pasti pakainya ing. Ya, jadi di sini one day Princess Alice was walked atau walking. Ingat, yang pakai was atau were pasti ada ing-nya. Jadi, was walking. Oke. Kelebihan. Nah, in the forest near her castle, she was watching, saw, atau listening to the birds sing. Kalau ada burung-burung lagi nyanyi bersiul-siul, kita ngelihat atau kita menonton atau kita mendengarkan. Ingat ada was-nya di sini. Berarti harus pakai yang ing. Ya, kalau ada pakai was atau were berarti harus pakai yang ing. Berarti yang kedua yang so salah. Yang so ini salah. Jangan dipilih. Karena dia tidak ing. Tinggal watching sama listening. Kalau suara kita pakainya melihat atau kita pakai mendengar. Good. Berarti kita mendengarkan ya. She was listening to the bird song. Di sini isinya listening. Oke. She was starting to cry. Dia mulai nangis nih. Pakainya when, what, atau where. When itu ketika. What itu apa. Where itu di mana. She was starting to cry. Coba kalau kita pakai where, di mana dia mendengar? Enggak ya, bukan di mana. Masa di mana? Jadi the good one is when. Dia mulai nangis saat atau ketika dia mendengar suara. Ya, it was her little cat Taffy. He titik-titik looking for her. Di sini pilihannya he, is, was, atau were. Ingat karena kita ngomonginnya past, jadi nggak mungkin kita pakai is. Is-nya kita coret, karena ini salah. Kan kita ngomonginnya past simple ya. Kalau is itu untuk yang present. Tinggal ada dua nih, was sama were. Ingat, kalau subjeknya he, she, it, I, pakainya was atau were? Was, karena Tevi itu masuknya ke it. Jadi, he was. Oke. Number 3-nya, Princess Alice was ran atau running. Ingat kalau ada was-nya harus bentuknya ing. Jadi pakainya yang mana? Good, running. Oke. I think the last you can do it by yourself ya. Okay, good. And then, wah, ternyata masih banyak yang kotor-kotor. Still many scratch di sini. Oke. Okay. This one, we already done this one. I think that's all for today, grade 6. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay fit, stay happy, and always be grateful. Bye, grade 6. Wassalamualaikum. Bye.